History Center. Victoria Parker, one of our curators. We're bringing you some behind the scenes videos of our collection. I am with a Norquist folding chair made by the Norquist Folding Company, approximately 1953. This, although it looks like a regular dining room chair, folds. You simply grab the front, there's a mechanism there, you squeeze, and it folds up. One of the slogans for these kinds of chairs was the Norquist folding chairs, you have to be told it folds, which I just think is a great slogan. You can see they fold up out of the way. They're relatively thin, so you can stack them out of the way. There's card tables that match these. They came in several styles. Some of you may even have Norquist chairs in your house. They are still widely used. So that's just one of our really cool things on display at the Fenton History Center in our furniture exhibit. Thanks for watching.